Avantika here. Let us study some aquatic plants. Here is a pond created by my grandmother. You can see many leaves floating here. Can you guess what leaves they are? Yes, you are correct. They are lotus leaves. Each leaf is connected to its roots by a long, narrow stem. You can see it here. The roots fix the plant to the bed of the pond. The reason the leaves float on the surface of the water is to prepare food by photosynthesis. The other reason why these leaves float is because of the thin waxy coating. You can see here, this is an example. This leaves contains no water. These all leaves contain a thin waxy coating. That is also the reason why they float. These lotus leaves are an example of fixed aquatic plants. The next set of plants I would like to show you are the floating aquatic plants. The first one is the water hyacinth. If you lift off the plant, the roots come off easily. Actually, the roots float. You can see it here. These roots also contain newborn roots. The reason this plant floats is due to the tiny air pockets that the stem contains. You can see it actually. If you break open the stem, you can see it. The stem contains spongy texture. The air is trapped inside the stem. This is why this whole plant stays afloat. This plant has the stem and the leaf green, which means both the stem and the leaf contains chlorophyll. You can see it here. All the stem and the leaf are both green, which means that the stem and the leaf both prepare food. One more floating aquatic plant is the water cabbage. This plant's roots are very tiny. You can see it here. The leaves resemble a cabbage. If you see more carefully, you can see that the leaves have a cabbage structure. One more interesting fact about this plant is that the plant contains the waxy coating I told you before. If you take one plant and touch one leaf, you feel tiny hairs. And if you push the plant inside the water like this, and if you let it, it will come back again. And once you pushed, and when it comes up to the surface, if you touch the leaf, they are not at all wet. The next type of plant I would like to show you is algae. This plant has no proper roots, stem or leaves. Actually, algae is an ancient ancestor of plants. It is just a mass of green matter to prepare food. You can see it here. Another type of algae is here. It grows on walls. Here. It is just moss. So I hope that you enjoyed my grandmother's ecosystem. Thank you.